pegboard system that I'm absolutely in love with. Completely metal, comes with a bunch of accessories out of the box, which is fantastic too. This thing, super easy to mount. There's screw holes here, and you do have to pay attention to the direction you're mounting them, because some of these mounts, because they stick in these holes, actually don't work when the panels are mounted sideways. So they do typically have to be portrait instead of landscape, which is totally fine. We got plenty of them, and they just look fantastic. I mean, the way they hit the light, the way that everything shines against it. I mean, I'm big fan.
This is an easy to install pegboard. I installed mine in the shed. It does come with 2 shelves, 3 bins for all your knickknacks. It comes with a hammer holder and a screwdriver holder. Of course, this one only has the 2 panels, but it did come with 3 panels. I just didn't install it. So great for the garage, the shed, outdoors. It does not rust, and you can also install it indoors, like I did for the studio. So all for my little equipments, my cables, my gear. And it keeps everything organized, and I can just grab whatever I want, whenever I want.